way to Black Diamond Lake near Collie. It's about 2 hours away from Perth, WA, and it is a social media hotspot. I've been begging Brendan to take me there, and he's finally said yes, only because his mates want to go down there. But yes, I will show you what we get up to. It is a super blue lake. Used to be an open cut mine, but it's since been abandoned, and I don't really know if it's open to the public, but we're gonna go anywhere. Hashtag Rebel Life. Just arrived at Black Diamond Lake. Look how beautiful it is. So pretty.
So cool, man.
We're going to Stockton Lake now, because apparently it's more blue and more amazing, so we'll show you what that's like. So we're here at Stockton Lakes, and I was not expecting this. That looks photoshopped. So our trip to Diamond Lake has turned into a little bit of a
trip to where?
Lake hop. Isn't it called Diamond Lake?
Oh,
Black Diamond. So our trip to Black Diamond Lake has kind of turned into lake hopping. We just visited Stockton Lake, and now we're going to Harvey Dam. Pretty fun day. What do you reckon, Bren?
Oh, yeah. Oh yeah.
Where are we at?
Harvey Dam. Never been here before. It's pretty cool. I know, it's all overjoyed.
Oh, it's windy now. We have just gotten to Harvey Dam, and it's stunning. There's hardly anyone here, and yeah, we're regretting not bringing our camping gear. Do you have to prove me wrong every time?
Sure do.
There's not even heaps of people.
There's nobody here. Just don't point the camera that way.
There isn't. It's like linear.
In the distance.
You're a distance. We're not going that far. I hope we're not going that far.
Yeah, we are.
Anyways, there's hardly anyone here. And yeah, I don't know anything about this dam. We're in Harvey. There's lots of cows here. Pretty sure that's where our milk comes from.
Harvey milk.
Harvey what?
Harvey milk. What? Oh God.
He said it would be easy, but I think he lied.
I think he lied too. Hey.
Yeah, you should be able to.
Give it a shot.
You know how to get in 4?
Yeah, I'm in 4.
Okay.
How do you really feel about it, Bren?
Oh, we're fucked.
Oh, now that that's done, I'm just gonna hold your face the whole time.
How was your fall?
That doesn't, I just said it on your race.
How was your slide?
The slide was fun. Thanks for asking.
I got it on camera.